Introducing the Narwal Freo Z Ultra. Clean before you even notice it. This is intelligent cleaning with zero disruptions. Powered by dual AI chips, Freo Z Ultra reacts with lightning-fast speed, handling up to 4 trillion computations per second. And with ultra-high-definition dual RGB cameras, it creates stunningly detailed point clouds for accuracy and precision similar to the human eye. This allows it to switch cleaning modes in real time, adapting to dry messes with boosted suction and wet messes with high-pressure mopping, preventing messes from spreading. Setup is easy. The Freo Z Ultra quickly creates a detailed 3D map, planning the most efficient routes to clean your house unobtrusively, avoiding obstacles so smoothly, you might not even notice it. It can intelligently detect surprises along the way and get ultra close to maximize coverage, all without going anywhere it shouldn't or needing any help from you. It also lets you know when, well, bad dog. Freo Z Ultra delivers quiet and powerful cleaning without compromise. For wet messes, dual rotating mops apply up to 12 newtons of powerful pressure, spinning until pristine. With AI Dirt Sense, Freo Z Ultra can target and mop difficult spills, returning to the station to rinse and remopping until the job is done. The mop even lifts on carpets to prevent wetting. For tougher messes, suction up to 12,000 pascals can deliver a spotless clean. The Zero Tangle brush prevents stoppages so there's no manual maintenance needed, all while staying on the most efficient route to ensure cleanliness. And coverage is maximized thanks to edge swing and a baseboard cleaning module. The entire system is quiet, requiring zero maintenance. With the ultra-silent all-in-one base station, you are now truly free. It uses hot air to transfer dust to its 2.5-liter dustbin and sanitize it through drying. Electrolytic sterilization ensures clean water that is automatically mixed with detergent. Wastewater particles are analyzed by AI Dirt Sense, and the water temperature is automatically adjusted up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit to maximize the cleanliness of the mop and base station. Once it's heat-dried, it's ready for action at a moment's notice. We believe that robotic cleaning should be unnoticeable, never interrupting your lifestyle, while keeping your household at its cleanest, giving you extra peace of mind.